Teaching Unit 6 deals with contours and profiles, and we are going to start with a blank sketch, loading a surface from the previous teaching unit. We go to MDT, Surface, Current Surface, and select Assembled Current Top. Once it has been loaded, we can execute a contour line using the MDT Contours/Cartography Contours command. We can assign a new surface to the window that appears, in addition to establishing the layers in which they are to be placed, both standard and master curves. We can also clean the layers if they have already been drawn. We can also define the height interval and the equidistance of curves, as well as drawing the curves as polylines, contours, or lines, and a new feature, consisting of the use of colors or a specific palette of colors. Apart from selecting the type of palette, we can also edit the height interval number and save it in a customized manner for future work sessions. Let us accept, in the smoothing factor, we can also adapt a smoother curve by default, and above all, in accordance with the generalization of our contours and our filtration. We will leave it by default for now, and accept again to execute the curvature, giving us the result, a gradient of heights, with the scale or standard palette of rainbow colors, and by zooming in, we can see that these polylines will be of a constant height whenever we execute a curvature.